You can type in a word here, click save, and then click make, and then you will get paid between $25 and $30. You can do this over and over again and make money from anywhere in the world. However, you must set this up correctly, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to make this happen. Signing up for this website is completely free, no money is required upfront and no special skills are required at all. In this video, I will show you a full step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this amazing income stream. And like most of the other videos, this one is also 100% free and you will not be needing any credit cards or anything at all. This method works worldwide, so no matter where you're watching from, you'll be able to use it. Hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. Now let's get into it. Okay, so this is the main platform that we'll be using. You can type in a single word or a phrase and this website will produce professional, high-quality videos based on what you typed in. And I'm going to show you how you can get paid $25 to $30 per video that you make. So as you can see, this is the simplest way to create fantastic videos. And don't worry, you don't need to be a professional editor to do it. You don't need a camera, you don't need to film anything, and you don't need to show your face. You just need to type in one single word. And I'll show you how it all works and how to get paid. We're gonna choose our video template, we're gonna customize it, and watch how quickly they make the video for us. So you don't have to wait, which means you can start generating money right away if your day couldn't get any easier. The website that you see on your screen is called motionden.com. This website is the tool that's gonna help us make the videos, but just don't leave yet because you will not know how to use it properly or how to start making income from it. Rather than doing that, just follow all the steps in the video and by the end of the video, you'll know exactly what to do and how to generate money from this method. So first and foremost, when you go to motionden.com, I want you to click on the Get Started button right here to join them. You may do so by connecting using your Facebook account, your Google account, or you can just do it with your email address. I also recommend that you uncheck this box if you don't want to subscribe to their email list, which can be quite annoying at times. I rarely subscribe to those kind of newsletters, so I would really just keep this box unchecked. After that, you'll be able to sign up in less than 60 seconds. When you join up for Motionden, you'll be able to browse all of these different templates that you can see, and you can use them to produce professional looking videos in less than 60 seconds and with just one word or one phrase, whatever you type in. So you can see on the left hand side that you can generate all of these different types of films in all of these different categories. You can make advertising, automated videos, videos for businesses, e-commerce videos, Facebook videos, food and restaurant videos, Instagram, and so on and so forth. And you have all of these different templates that you can use, and they are very professional. And now I will show you exactly how. There is one specific service that we will be focused on that will allow you to earn between $25 to $30 just by typing a single phrase. So what I want you to do is concentrate on either intros or outros. For the time being, just forget about all of these distinct categories and just concentrate on intros and outros because they are the simplest ones that we can start making. And that will allow us to earn $30 or even more just for one single intro or outro. If you look around and see what you're seeing on your screen right now, we can find very interesting templates. I use this one for example just to show you how it works because I like how this template looks. So I'm going to click on it and all I have to do to customize it is click on this. So after I get to this page, all I have to do is click this box and I can type that single word into this box. And I'll show you what's going to determine what the word will be. But in this situation, let's suppose that the word is EarnPal. I just need to write EarnPal, save, make video, and that's pretty much all. They will now instantly create that video for me. And I'm going to show you how to sell those kind of videos for $25 or $30 over and over again. I'll also show you proof that it works because people are already making money with this method on a daily basis. So if we go back to the dashboard, we'll find that my video is now rendering. I only need to wait about 2 minutes and they'll have it built for me. As you can see, it only took one single word to write in the box and now I have a really high quality intro that was made automatically for me. So just to recap, you open up the template that you like, You click edit this video, which gets you to the editing page. You can even add a logo if you want to, but if you don't have a logo to add, just go straight to the text page. Click on the tags box and enter in that one word that we talked about. Click the save button, then click the make video button, and that's all there is to it. And now I'm gonna show you the new website that's gonna allow us to sell these videos instantly and start earning money to generate passive income. But wait, before we get to that point, I'd like to remind you that we have a lot of videos on our channel EarnPal. The goal of our channel is to teach you how to generate an online passive income stream to reach financial freedom. I put a lot of time and effort into these videos to ensure that each one of these methods work. So I would appreciate it if you guys go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification bell, also like the video and leave a comment down below. Now let's carry on with the video. So what we want to do is head to this website called Fiverr, and the address for that website is fiverr.com. If you are unfamiliar with Fiverr, it's a freelancing website where millions of people come every single day to sell and buy services. So you have regular people like me and you providing various services to other either entrepreneurs, business owners, or even regular customers. This is only one of the many freelancing websites available to you. We have hundreds of thousands of potential consumers on Fiverr because it's the largest freelancing marketplace in the world. And as a result, you are more likely to get easy sales through the website. There's a lot of interest about Fiverr. There are numerous buyers. This means it's ideal for total beginners like ourselves. It means you can join this website right now and potentially make a lot of money without being a seasoned seller. And if you look for intros and outros on this website, you'll find that people offer these services. As you can see, others are offering the same service we will be offering for a premium price, such as this one, that one, and these ones over here. And these individuals have sold their services many times over and over again. The great part about this is we don't need to have any skills to create these intros and outros. We can do them easily like I showed you before on the previous step. You can also use other freelance websites. It doesn't hurt to spread your service over the platforms that exist in the world. If you get a sale from any other freelance website, then that's fantastic. So I really recommend that you guys check all of the other freelance websites and try to offer your services on them as well. So once you get a sale, the person is going to give you either their logo or their word. So what you want to do is go to the website that we discussed earlier. You click save, produce the video, and continue to the dashboard. Then you'll have to wait for that video to load and process, and as you can see, you may download it to your computer. To get it without the watermark though, you'll have to pay $9 per video. However, if you sell it for $35 or $40, you're still making a lot of money and you will not have to put any money up front because you are not paying anything unless you receive an order. So once you receive an order from a customer, so let's say it's $30, then you can use those $30, spend $9 to actually pay for the video in this website, and then there you go. You're having $21 profit from each video that you spent less than 1 minute making. And after you start earning more and more sales, you'll notice that you're already making a solid monthly income. You can even simply invest $29 a month for this unlimited plan. And instead of paying $9 per video, you can just take the plan for $29 a month and you will have an unlimited plan which allows you to make even more and more intros, and that's an unlimited amount of intros and outros within the month. So without a doubt, you can use Motion Den and its templates to create quality videos by putting a single word into a box and then offering that service on other freelancing websites such as freelancer.com, truelancer.com, fiverr.com, aguru.com, personsperhour.com, Quicken Gigs, and so on and so forth. I hope you found this video valuable. And if you did, don't forget to give us a like and a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. That helps us so much into making content daily. That brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video.